In the heart of Africa, where the sun spills golden rays across the vast savanna and the rivers weave through the landscape like shimmering ribbons, lives one of the most intriguing creatures, marani's, of the animal kingdom, the hippopotamus. Often misunderstood and overshadowed by the more glamorous animals of the wild, hippos are remarkable beings, embodying a unique blend of power, grace, and an unexpected charm that captures the imagination. Hippos are not just large, lumbering beasts. They are the third largest land mammals after elephants and white rhinos, with males weighing between 3,000 to 4,000 pounds and females slightly less. Their bodies are a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle. With barrel-shaped torsos, short legs, and enormous mouths that can open up to 150 degrees, they are formidable creatures. Yet, despite their size and strength, hippos possess an undeniable appeal, characterized by their large, expressive eyes and the way they often seem to smile, revealing their large canine teeth. The hippo's habitat is as fascinating as the creature itself. These animals are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, inhabiting rivers, lakes, and mangrove swamps. Their preference for water is not merely for drinking. It is essential for regulating their body temperature. Hippos have very little body hair, which makes them vulnerable to overheating under the harsh African sun. To combat this, they spend much of their day submerged in water, where only their nostrils and eyes peek above the surface. This behavior not only keeps them cool, but also provides protection from the sun's rays, as they secrete a natural sunscreen, often referred to as blood sweat, that helps shield their skin from sunburn. As the sun begins to set, the hippos emerge from their watery retreats to graze on the lush grasses that line the banks of their habitats. This nocturnal feeding ritual is a sight to behold. Hippos can consume up to 150 pounds of grass in a single night, their massive jaws effortlessly tearing through the vegetation. They are herbivores, and their diet consists almost exclusively of grass, which they graze on during the cooler hours of the night. Despite their size, they move surprisingly quickly on land, capable of reaching speeds of up to 19 miles per hour over short distances. The social structure of hippos is equally captivating. They are known to live in groups called pods, which typically consist of around 10 to 30 individuals, although some pods can be much larger. These groups are often led by a dominant male, who fiercely protects his territory and the females within it. The dynamics within a pod are complex. Hippos exhibit a range of social behaviors, including grooming and vocalizations that strengthen their bonds. They communicate through a series of grunts, honks, and wheezes, which can be heard both above and below the water's surface. Their social interactions are not merely for companionship. They play a crucial role in maintaining the hierarchy and ensuring the survival of the group. Yet, despite their seemingly peaceful existence, hippos are known for their aggressive nature. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, responsible for more human deaths than any other large animal on the continent. Their territorial instincts are strong, and they will fiercely defend their space against intruders, whether they be other hippos or humans encroaching on their habitat. This aggression is often exacerbated by the stress of habitat loss and competition for resources, leading to confrontations that can be both violent and deadly. One of the most fascinating aspects of hippos is their unique adaptations for life in the water. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while mostly submerged. This adaptation makes them excellent swimmers and divers, although they are not true swimmers. Instead, they walk along the riverbed, propelling themselves with their powerful legs. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes, and during this time, they can dive to depths of around 5 meters. This ability to remain submerged for extended periods allows them to evade predators and navigate their aquatic environment with ease. The reproductive habits of hippos are equally intriguing. After a gestation period of about 8 months, a female hippo gives birth to a single calf, usually in shallow water. The newborn is about 50 to 100 pounds at birth and is capable of swimming almost immediately. The mother is fiercely protective of her young, often keeping them close to her side as they learn to navigate their environment. Calves will suckle for about 6 months, but will gradually begin to graze alongside their mothers as they grow. As they mature, young hippos will often play together, engaging in mock fights and chasing one another in the water. These playful interactions are crucial for their development, helping them learn social skills and establish relationships within the pod. They also serve as a form of exercise, allowing the young hippos to build strength and coordination. The hippo's role in its ecosystem is essential. As they graze on grasses, they help maintain the health of their habitats, preventing overgrowth and promoting biodiversity. Their dung, rich in nutrients, fertilizes the surrounding environment, supporting the growth of various plant species and providing food for other animals. In this way, hippos contribute to the intricate web of life that exists within their ecosystems. However, the future of hippos is uncertain. They face numerous threats, including habitat destruction due to agriculture and urbanization, poaching for their ivory tusks, and climate change, which affects water availability in their habitats. Conservation efforts are underway in various regions, focusing on protecting their natural habitats and raising awareness about the importance of these magnificent creatures. Despite their challenges, hippos continue to inspire awe and fascination. Their combination of strength and vulnerability, aggression and affection, makes them a unique symbol of the wild. They remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving the natural world. In the quiet moments of the African dusk, as the sun sinks below the horizon and the stars begin to twinkle overhead, the hippos emerge from their watery homes, their silhouettes casting long shadows across the land. They move in unison, a graceful dance of giants, their calls echoing through the night. In these moments, one can't help but marvel at the beauty and complexity of these extraordinary creatures, whose presence enriches the tapestry of life on Earth. As the world continues to change, the story of the hippo remains a testament to resilience and adaptation. Their journey, intertwined with the rivers and landscapes they inhabit, serves as a reminder of the wonders of nature and the importance of safeguarding the delicate ecosystems that support all life. In the eyes of a hippo, one can see the reflection of a world that is both ancient and ever-evolving, a world that deserves our respect, admiration, and protection.